Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and thanks for being here for this quick tutorial about ACT Marketing Automation and the courses I'm offering. So I'm a huge fan of ACT Marketing Automation, and the reason for that is when you are an ACT software subscriber, obviously you have to pay for the software every year. So how do you leverage that? How do you make sure that ACT pays for itself? Well, ACT's marketing automation tool, which is built in, allows you to create email marketing campaigns that you can send out to customers, newsletters, things of that nature, or to prospects to try to generate sales. The reason I think this software is so impressive is because of the story it tells you when you're sending out these emails. It can tell you who's opened your emails, who hasn't opened your emails. It can show you how they interact. Did they click on a link? How is your audience interpreting or using your email marketing campaigns? And what is the story that tells you? What is it it's describing to you? And because of that, my experience has been there's three types of ACT marketing automation users, or AMA. AMA users are either beginners, they've never used it because they can't get started. You might have a version of ACT software that you have never had the opportunity to use this tool. For you, I recommend if you're thinking about it but you're not sold on the subscription idea, think of ACT as just an email program that you can use just for that. And I can show you how to simply move into that. Something that maybe you can use and then walk away from, but at least test the grounds and see what it is like and how it can help you. So you have the beginners who just either don't have the time or the knowledge or the expertise to get started. I can help you with my Getting Started course. You also have people that have sent out campaigns, but now it's how do you interpret that? So my next course is more designed for you. That's course number 2. And the third course is really sort of the deep dive where we get into some of the statistical analysis of the course, or I'm sorry, not the course, but of the email that went out. How do you incorporate all that information into ACT so you can utilize it to have a better understanding of all the contacts in your database? So I get really excited for this tool because I think it's the one tool that is right there in front of you waiting to use that can actually make you money. So don't hesitate. Learn how to use ACT Marketing Automation. Get ahead of it for the upcoming year of 2026, and let's see if we can make this a great tool for you. Reach out to me, do an initial session with me so we can have a discussion about it, and let's see if these courses make sense for you. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. I hope you are well. Bye now.